Good morning, students. Today we learn how to install matplotlib in pydroid3. For that, I'm going to show you how to do it. Just click on pydroid3. Click on this 3 lines. There you can see pip. Just click on pip and type the library which you want to install. So here we will type matplotlib and then we press install button. So it will start its process and later on you will see complete, and now it is installed. If you want to check, you can go to your editor and there you can type. So let's see how to do it. You will go back from the pip. You will type here import matplotlib .pyplot as p import numpy as n or np, whatever you like. Just as I taught you today in the class, I will show you how to do it. We will create an array. Let's say x is equal to n dot a range starting. We start from 2 up to 40 steps you can specify, and then in the same way you will create y is equal to n dot. This time we will use cos function. In the batch we learned how to use log function, natural logarithms. Okay, so later on we will pass it in pyplot dot plot in bracket x comma y comma. Here we will show you initially just to see how it works, and then we will run it. You will not see anything, I suppose. Now nothing is visible here. We said pt is not defined because we have used p for that, and then later on you will specify p dot show function this, and let's run it. So this is the graph. Got it? So in that way we can do it. Thank you very much.